So today we're celebrating receiving $13.5 million from FEMA to restore the Packery Channel. The Packery Channel was damaged in Hurricane Harvey. Having our revetment and the Packery Channel look like this for the last 4 years is really too long. And we're pledging to change the way we do business to react to situations like this much sooner. So it's a two-part celebration today to recognize we're changing the way we do business, but also to celebrate the fact that we're getting $13.5 million from the federal government to help restore the Packery Channel.
The Packery is so important to our community. Almost everybody comes out here. You can fish off of it. You can walk to the beach. You can just enjoy the water, if nothing else, stroll along the boardwalk. So it's so important to our community, not only the island community, but Corpus Christi, our region, because Corpus Christi, what are we? We are our region.
You know, this channel is not just a part of our city, but it's a part of our identity. And so we're very excited about actually finally moving forward. We're very grateful to our local, state, and federal delegations, especially our federal delegations. They work with just the most tenacity I've ever seen to make sure that this happens. So today we thank them and we celebrate the first step in moving forward.
And as a city, we've already moved ahead. We've let the contract. We have bids in right now. So now we have the funding. We can start almost immediately in getting the Packery back where it ought to be repaired. And not only back where it ought to be, where it should have been. We're going to do repairs that will prevent damage from happening in the next storm. It's going to be a better Packery Channel than what it was.